Hey folks, it's Jeff
It's Jason.
and where's BJ?
I'm not sure where BJ's at.
All right, we'll find him.
We'll find him.
So we're here at 1301 Southwest Walnut in Lee Summit. We're going to be having an open house this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, 1 to 4.
Let's go take a look at it. All right, guys, we have a living room. We got vaulted ceilings, luxury vinyl flooring, dining room.
Kitchen, totally updated. We've got the maintenance-free quartz. All the appliances are going to be staying.
We got full bathroom with bath and shower. Bedroom number 1, master bedroom. Beautiful tile, family room, fireplace. Walks right outside to your backyard. Half bath right here.
And finally, let's go check out the pool.
Oh, hey guys,
Throw all my photos right now.